Hi, today we're gonna talk about grafting and why we do it. Grafting on trees is done for mostly two purposes, because we need the lower part, which is the rootstock, needs to be, for example, drought resistant, able to resist sun disease, etc. And the top part of the tree, which we graft, the scion, needs to be able to produce good fruit. For example, this olive used to produce small olives, which are good for pressing and turning into oil. But I didn't have the time to cut them to harvest them because they are very small. So what I did, the solution was that I grafted some table olives. Table olives are usually large, and so they are great for brining. This is just showing you. I'm gonna show you what happens. I remove my big hand. This is where I grafted, and the tree became joined into one. So we have the scion here, this part, which produces large olives, and the rootstock, which is great because it's drought resistant and everything else, and is able to resist disease. So we chose a good rootstock. Then, obviously, we have one which wasn't as successful. So we just take it off, don't worry about this. And this is how a scion is made. We just slit here. I'll put some more videos about how to make them, and we insert this one here. The method isn't difficult to make grafts. It's the procedure. You need to take some steps. For example, the longer this tongue is, it's better. There's a higher chance of the graft being successful. And also how we tie it and what we use to tie it. This is, for example, some type of paint appropriate for grafting, and beneath it there is some tape. As you can see, out of 4 branches, we had another one here. Most were successful, so this one I don't need to graft it properly. I'll just cut it from here, and that's an easy one to go. It will go away. Obviously, when we graft, we have a full year of removing leaves and stalks below the graft, because that growth is from the rootstock. You have to remove them, but that is the only trouble. Even here, that is from the rootstock. You just twist and pull, not twist and shake. Okay. That is a small intro to a very interesting subject that we have, which is grafting. And grafting can be done by anyone. As I already said, grafting is a skill. It's not a difficult skill, but it needs to be practiced. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe.